guys, welcome back to my video. It's Kid Wilderness. Today we're going to be looking for bird nest, so let's get to it. So I'm going to be looking over here. Oh, let's see in this hole right there. Oh wait, that's not right. Never mind. Your birds. Well, let's look over here. I'm looking for. Wait, what is that? Hold on, guys. What is that? That's a bird nest right there. Oh my god. That is a bird nest. Can you see the bird on top of it right there? That is a bird nest. No, Zay, no, Zay, don't touch it. That right there is a bird nest with a bird sitting on top of it. You see it, guys? Tell me if you can see it.
Why can I touch it?
Why?
Yeah.
Because then if you do, you'll get your human scent on it, and then they will never want to go back there ever again.
Yeah, I just want to touch the bug.
You're still gonna get the human scent on the nest. So I want to do that. Follow you. No. Get down.
Stop it.
Get down. I said get down.
Get off it.
No.
Stop.
I said stop. It's gonna bite you. It's gonna bite him. Guys, never touch a bird nest. Then it can smell your human scent. And then it will never want to go back there ever again. So do not touch a bird nest. Well, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Adios, amigos. Adios, amigos.